You're in Europe. I'm so excited.
samba cai. Na pedra do sal.
Down the dark alley.
One sandwich, tomate, parmigiano and prosciutto.
This building was made in 1808, so it's a very old building. I think it's okay.
We are in Portugal, outside of a town called Sevilla. We just went to this winery, did this like little wine tasting thing from a winery that's been around since 1808, and it is 5 generations deep. So it's really cool to get to learn about some of the Portuguese wines, some different wine regions in Portugal. It's an hour drive for 2 glasses of wine, but that's okay because it was really beautiful. We're high up in the mountains overlooking the Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, that one.
That one, we just spent 8 days crossing it, so I should know what it's called. But yeah, and then we're about to head to the most western point of Europe in Portugal. Bye. So let's continue our day.
Yeah?
The other side is America.
I don't want to go back there.
This is music for the soul.
Please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the crease. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the
Es lo que te gusta de salir y se suena. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir.
Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
I don't need your money, you can pay me in respect. respect. Cause once I do it big, what's to follow is a check. I need 100 bags, nothing more, nothing less. And the ops feel away, cause I'm next, I'm a threat.
There's something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No. You blame things that you do on somebody else. No. But they all see that you need help.
Oh, this is beautiful. Wow.
All of your time covering up your tracks. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change.
Stop that. This is music for the soul. This is music for the soul.
Barcelona. We made it. Only took us 15 days. 8 days in the Atlantic Ocean. It's been really nice.
It's been blessed.
Yeah. We made a lot of really good friends. Got a little teary-eyed last night saying goodbye to some amazing people. Yeah. It's a pretty remarkable journey.
Yeah, I kind of pulled a bit of an Irish exit because I'm not good at goodbye. So it's just like, all right, we'll see you later.
Yeah.
And some of them we actually will.
Yeah, we do have plans to see some friends later on this year. Lorraine and Simon. Love you guys to the moon and back. Shout out Tim and Susie. See you guys in a few days.
Some other vegetables,
Other,
non-vegetable vegetables. You know who you are.
we love you. Yeah. Would you do it again?
Yeah, but not for a little while.
Yeah.
15 days on the water is kind of a lot.
It was a lot. It was a lot. I mean, if we do it again, I don't know if we do a transatlantic again. Not because we didn't like it. It was awesome, and we highly, highly recommend it.
It's the only way to travel overseas.
Really though, like, forget about flying, dude. Take a transatlantic cruise. Take a Virgin transatlantic cruise because it is amazing. Rockstar. Is it worth it?
Yeah, definitely for the transatlantic. Now, if it was a short term, I think maybe, if you're doing like a 3-4 day cruise or even a week cruise, maybe it's worth it to you. But I think I could do okay with saving some dollars and taking a smaller room. That'd be fine. You'd be out of the ship doing stuff and at ports and stuff. But for 8 days at sea, 15 days total, it was totally worth the extra room.
Totally worth it. Just the champagne hour alone made it worth it.
Yeah, between the champagne hour and the Rockstar agent, that
shout out Mila.
Yeah, that pretty much was just like, if you don't want to deal with it, message me, I got you.
Yeah.
That was worth it alone.
So posh, so posh. We felt so spoiled, and the food was amazing, and you don't have to have Rockstar status to get amazing food. All of the restaurants were included, which was absolutely fabulous. I've never drinking so much champagne in my entire life.
2 weeks of functional alcoholism.
Yes, indeed.
But it was a blast.
It was a blast.
Now my liver needs a vacation.
Yes, we need to go to the hotel and take a nap.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye.